Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, on the GALA chart, we have this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern that could develop here. It's pretty much in line with what we talked about in the last few videos, right? We have our potential 5-wave move to the upside now complete. It's not a very clear microstructure, but we have a potential A wave here. We're watching for the beginning of a B wave, but I think I already mentioned in the last video, I need to see a break below the 2.0, basically 2 cent level, or 2.06 cent level to confirm that, the last swing low. That would then be confirmation that we are now in the B wave, in a pullback. That could lead to a C wave rally higher. It's a little bit sloppy, this structure, so it's not very clear where exactly we are. However, as already indicated a while ago, the trend is up. We're focusing only on higher for GALA at the moment. Pullbacks could be an entry point. That obviously depends on your trading plan. It's a more risky coin in my opinion than others because GALA is not really in a long-term uptrend. In one of my last videos, I explained exactly why. We took a look at the daily chart. But yeah, it can always get into an uptrend long-term, but it needs to prove it. Okay, so first of all, we focus here on the shorter time frame. We see here a potential left shoulder, the head. This could turn into the right shoulder. Sometimes they break out directly. I mean, then you don't have an inverse head and shoulders pattern, but the neckline, it's not very clearly defined. There are, you know, it's a bit of a range here that's going on here. Yeah, it's a bit of a range, so it's very hard to say where exactly will be the breakout point. So it might be actually more around here, more around 2.8 cents maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Either way, it could still push a little higher. Yeah, no problem. But I would say if we get a sustained break above that 2.83 cent level, then we might have, well, if it breaks above it, then this inverse head and shoulders broke early and it never developed the right shoulder. But at the moment, when we're watching here this support area, yeah, which is still valid, then any pullback that gets into this region could provide a favorable reward to risk entry point. Yeah, any pullback. We cannot really calculate a target for wave C. I can only really do that when we've had the pullback in wave B, and the pullback needs to be corrective. So if I see an impulsive pullback, which even breaks below the yellow support area, that would not be good. I need to see a corrective pullback that starts to slow down here, that shows some reactions to these FIB levels, okay? So I've got these FIB levels here around 2 cents, 1.83, 1.67, and 1.47 cents. And the most important one is the 1.47 cent level, because any pullback below that level would indicate that something different is going on. Until then, it's entirely possible that we are following the yellow count, which would also be the expectation. So expectations would be in any kind of pullback to hold support and then to see that as a jump off point for a C wave rally, which would form an overall larger A wave, which could then lead again to a B wave pullback and a C wave rally. And so it's how we can climb higher while being very mindful of the relevant support levels, because the overall chart is just a downtrend basically. It's a lifetime downtrend, and that always means we need to be on the side of caution. But you know that what I've always highlighted, when GALA goes, it goes, and we don't want to stand a trend in the way. So already indicated to you when we broke above the, I think it was, which level was it? 1.63 cents, that we are likely watching for a breakout here, and that happened very quickly. And now we already topped temporarily at 2.6 cents. So it's pretty quickly the price moved. And we'll now see, basically we have to follow the 1.47 cent level. That's the key support. Against that, we can focus on higher. If we move up more directly, we have to shift this support area together with the price. And you see how these support levels will go up. But it would be ideal to get some kind of a deeper pullback soon to then watch for a C wave rally. Now, there is not really much more to add. There is structural support at 2.06 cents. The green lines, yeah, a very important one at 1.8, and then another one, which was the initial breakout point at 1.64 cents. That's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.